Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls across the damn crypto space, the time is here, and we've waited literally over a year for this very moment. In this video, I want to show you how you can get 15% more Karuras by crowdloading your precious, I call it like my firstborn child, Kusamas. So without further ado, say it with me. Let's go bank that coin! Woo! Crypto lifestyle, baby. Welcome back to yet another video. If this is your first time here, my name is Francis, and on this channel we emphasize the importance of crypto mass adoption, decentralization, and other Bitcoin related stuff that could bank us coins. So if you want to learn more, do that by subscribing and hit the bell notification button so you don't miss anything. Alright guys, I'm super duper excited. I'm gonna try to calm it down and speak a little bit slowly, because some people were telling me they were having some issues connecting their polkadot.js wallet, and I'm going to show you what that issue was. It was a little red message that came up saying that how it couldn't to allow Acala to get access to the wallet. I'll show you guys how that works. But yeah, you heard that correctly in the intro. I'm going to show you guys how to get 15% more Karura tokens. Okay guys, now here we go. Now, for those of you who have been following the channel, you guys know from day one, man, from like, pretty much a year ago, what's up. But I've actually done a most recent video showing you guys how to actually get everything set up. So you should already be at this point. You should already have this Polkadot wallet set up here, right? The Polkadot.js wallet, plugin wallet, just like your MetaMask set up, right? And right here is the link. Now, I'm going to say something right now. During the time when I recorded and published this video, up until today, like about, I don't know, 30 minutes ago, I just found out that you could indeed refer yourself. And what does that mean? There's a 3-day special promotion going on right now where if you have a referral link of your own, if you got somebody else's, you're actually entitled to 10% more Karura, which is a freaking big deal on top of the additional 5% they will be giving the person who you use the referral link and yourself, okay? But if you already have one, that means you're getting double the amount, okay? So I would recommend you do that if you have one. But if you don't have a referral link, the only way to get those benefits, the 5% extra, is to actually use someone's referral link. So both parties are going to benefit from this, all right, guys? So once again, if you got your own link, I probably would suggest definitely you use that, right? You're going to get double the amount of Karuras. If you don't, here's my link, and I greatly appreciate it. Or even if you have your own referral link somewhere somehow, and you think I provide value, you guys know where to where to pretty much return that favor. Come down here and in the comment section and in the description box, and check on my link, and it's going to send you over to this page right here. You would see the referral link there, or maybe you might see your own referral link there. And guys, it's very basic. Make sure you have this logged in, the Polkadot.js wallet. That's very, very important. Make sure that is there, guys. Now, let's come on over and just click contribute now, right? It's going to just, direct you to the part of the page here that you need to go. So I am using via this site because I am actually using the Polkadot.js wallet. Some people might be using exchanges. Not me. I'm a decentralized fanatic. Last time I logged into a centralized exchange was probably in 2017. Mobile wallet, I think that's the Polka wallet or something like that. I don't really use mobile wallets like that for these things. For other purposes, yes. So for me and for most people, I would suggest, if you have the Polkadot.js wallet, this is the option you're going to be using. Cool. We're going to click these boxes. I have installed the Polkadot.js browser. As I said, if you've been following me and, keeping up with my videos, you should have that a long time ago. I have KSM in my Polkadot.js account. Again, in my last video, I showed you guys all of that. You should already have KSM in there, locked and loaded, ready to go for today. This announcement just came out about maybe an hour ago. My KSM has been unbonded. Click here for instructions on unbonding if you're staking KSM in Polkadot.js, or find the unstake unbound option, blah, blah, blah. Okay, cool. So right here, this is my wallet. So there is a connect to Polkadot.js wallet button right here. But since I've already logged in and it detected it, it's going to kind of like auto detect it for me. Okay, guys. So once you do all of that stuff, again, there's a red button right here saying connect to your wallet. Once you click that, it should pretty much detect your wallets, right? And if you already sort of like reserved your wallet, it would populate right here. And for me personally, I got a number of different ones, as you can see right here. So I know which one I chose based off of the first 4 digits, the first last digits, and that's the one I'm going to choose. Now, if you're getting this red message asking you to allow Acala.network to access the Polkadot wallet, guys, this is what you're going to have to do. So click on your Polkadot GS wallet, okay? You want to come to this button over here, the little gear icon, and then go to manage website access. It's very important that you got Acala network toggle to allow. For some weird ass reason, mine was on denied. Like every other freaking network was on allowed besides Acala network. Like, go figure. Seriously, I spent about maybe 40 minutes. I called up my boy. I was like, hey, dude, like, am I a noob now all of a sudden? I was about to go live and make a different Karura video. Like, no, nothing bad about them. Just venting my rage. But luckily, that's not what we're doing over here. Okay, so I'm going to use this wallet. Yes. This is my code here. Again, you could use your own code and you could also manually plug that in. So let's go on to this section over here, accept and sign. We're going to click that. This is going to pop up. It's going to ask for your password. I'm going to plug that in. I'm going to click sign term, and here we go. So this is where you're going to choose the duration and the amount of KSMs. I believe one Kusama gives you 12, or is it 10? I think it was 12, but let's find out here. So amount of KSM to contribute. Like, duh. Oh, what the hell? As you can see here, this is my own referral link, and you can see it right here to just verify OX820. Again, you can use yours. Appreciate if you use mine, though. It's up to you. Don't blame me if you want to use yours to get double your money. Type in your email. I'm going to type in my email, ACRYPTOLIFE. Cool. Yes, that is it. Right, I agree to receive email. Cool. Initial transferable, 30% remaining. So they are vested periods, okay, guys? I hope you know that. But for me, it's like, I'm not in a rush, man. It's all good. Yo, vest me for the rest of my life. Well, not for the rest of my life, you know what I'm saying. Vest me as long as you please. It's all gravy. Okay, guys, these are the tokens that are going to last. These are the projects, the infrastructure that's going to be here in a bear market, after a bear market, in a bull market. This is what you want. This is what you want in your portfolio. Not a financial advisor, though. This is what I'm doing. Right? So anyhow, so we're going to go to submit contribution. Like that. All right. Once again, we got to enter our password and sign this off. Submit contribution ready. Please wait while we embrace Kusama's chaos. Holy shit. Whoa. 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 Guys, I'm so sorry. I'm like Carlton from Fresh Prince of Bel-Air right now. I can do that Carlton dance. You guys know Carlton and Will Smith from Fresh Prince of Bel-Air? Please wait. Oh my god. Congratulations and thank you for supporting Karura. Total KSM balance is that. Contributed to Karura. 139 KSMs. I don't even know how much it's worth. I don't really care. It's just, I'm just happy that we have this opportunity. And I'm happy that this is not something like a pre-sale where everybody's gonna, you know, it's just depends on who you know to get in, right? And even if you know that person, it's still hard to get in because they cater for other people. This is how it should be, man. Big shout out going out to the Polkadot ecosystem. They're about to make some noise in the space, man. This is the this right here is going to kickstart things, man. And man, like I feel blessed. I feel a part of it, although I'm not. But I guess technically I am. I'm doing my part. I'm educating everybody on what's going on out there. And a big shout out to the Acala network team, the Karura team. Dan Rensier or Rensier. Sorry if I didn't pronounce your last name correctly. Your Medium posts are very extremely helpful for everybody. It helped me out a lot. And man, I really feel like I'm part of the team. But anyhow, man, this is all I got for you guys. That's how you get 15% more Karura tokens. All right, guys, it's only going for 3 days where you get that extra 10. I can't stress that enough. And yeah, we done. All right, guys. Sorry, I'm in awe still. Anyhow, love y'all. Appreciate everybody. And you know what? Until the next crowd loan, your ass on your own, man. Later.